What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to talk about a Toggle airdrop. They have an ongoing airdrop going on right now, and it's super easy to do, and it's completely free. It's completely free to earn money from Toggle airdrop. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to get allocation from this Toggle airdrop campaign going on, because the potential of this Toggle airdrop is going to be massive, and I'm sure you don't want to miss that. And if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, so I can create more video about crypto updates for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the stuff. Alright, so let me explain what Toggle airdrop is all about. The Toggle airdrop is an incredible AI movement, earning reward by unlocking a new era of browsing. It's an amazing airdrop. So now we know what Toggle airdrop is all about. It's an AI DePIN project, and as you can see, they have 40.4 follower, and they have posted a lot. With that being said, we're gonna be diving into their platform to see how we can actually be part of this airdrop, so we can actually earn an allocation. All right, so these are the simple steps which I've actually drafted out, so you guys can actually see how you can actually go about getting this getting this free airdrop, which can earn you a lot of money. So as you can see, the first step is for us to install the extension, which is the Toggle extension, and the next thing is I'm going to provide a link down in the video description below. You can click to create a Toggle account, which will help you to generate more points, which can be converted into the airdrop, so that you can have your allocation. So as you can see, we have then the next thing is, after you download the extension and also create an account, which I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to do that in this video. So you have to open the extension to keep the node running, and you keep on earning more points. So I'm going to walk you through everything one after the other, so you can be able to track your progress in your dashboard. So we're going to be creating all of these. So we're going to be start with the first step, which says we should install the extensions which can be used to run the node and earn more Toggle airdrops. So now, as you can see, the first step say we should install the extension. So I provide a link down in the video description to be able to install the extension, and I'm going to walk you through how to do that. All right, so after you click the link, this is where it's going to bring you down to. It's going to bring you down to the Chrome web store, where you can actually download the Toggle airdrop. As you can see, this is Toggle extension. So I'm going to be doing is just to add. You're going to click on the add button right here. Make sure you add it. So as you can see, because I have it on my dashboard and it's actually enemy point, as you can see, I have 73 Toggle, which is just for the node interface. I still have more points on my dashboard. So as you can see, it's keep on running without me have to do anything. It's a free airdrop, so it's keep on running the node as long as you pin it right here, and it's keep on running as you keep on using it. As you can see, if you did not see it right here, you're gonna click on your extension and you want to make sure you pin it. So once you pin it, it's gonna show right here. So that's how you actually going to install the extension. So the next step says that we should actually create an account. So you click the link down in the video description to create your own Toggle dashboard account, which I'm going to walk you through down right now. All right, so after you click the link which I provided in the video description, you're going to bring it down to this Toggle dashboard creation right here. As you can see, you want to put in a valid email address, your name and your last name, your nickname, and also create a password, which is very, very important, so you can be able to log in back when the allocation of the airdrop actually starts dropping. So as you can see, then you actually put your referral code if you actually have one, but it's optional. Then make sure you click on I agree, and also agree to receive updates. So you're gonna click on register. So that's as simple as that. So once you actually register, so after you've registered, this is what your dashboard is gonna look. As you can see, this is my own dashboard, and as you can see, I have 21,133 Toggle airdrop, which I've actually dropped into my own account. As you can see, it's very easy to earn all of this airdrop. You can be earning it from the node, which I actually showed you right here, and also earn it on your dashboard. So I'm going to walk you through how you can actually earn more of this. So as you can see, this is an airdrop right here. It's a very simple. I'm not actually doing anything to actually earn all of this airdrop. So to earn more points right here, you have to come down to this tax right here, which says that take a survey. I've actually taken a survey for today, but you as a new beginner, you're gonna see it and you're gonna earn more points from actually attending the survey. It's very simple, just asking you normal daily activities that you actually used to do, and you earn more airdrops. So as you can see, so you want to attend to that, and your points is gonna keep on increasing. And to able to earn more points, you can go to your referral session. Make sure you check all of these 1 2 3 badges, this will earn you more points as well. So the more you actually keep on using the toggle dashboard and also running your node, your point keep on increasing, and you can actually refer your friend to earn more, as you can see right here. So you can actually earn more from referring your friend. So this is as simple as ABC. So you can keep on tracking your dashboard, and as your point keep on increasing, as you can see, my point is actually keep on increasing by me just sleeping and waking up and checking my dashboard, and I see my airdrop keep on increasing. So this airdrop is gonna have a massive potential because nobody really know much about it, and it's very new. So this airdrop is very new and not everybody actually know more about it. So I love doing airdrop that is only minimum people actually know about it, because a lot of allocation is going to be allocating to you because you are the early user. So make sure to get in on this airdrop. Is a very super easy to do, and it's free. You are not investing any money in this airdrop. It's just you using the AI platform to actually earn more points, and I actually recommend you guys to start as early as possible. Click the link down in the video description and follow all the step-by-step guide which I've actually show you guys. So if you have been getting value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this, because I'm going to be giving you more potential airdrop update, and as well day-to-day free signals, and also a lot more about crypto updates that can hand you significant amount of money. So make sure you follow me on my Telegram and also on my X Twitter page, because these are places where you can actually find me and ask any question, and also be part of the community is very important, so you can be able to get in an early information about crypto airdrop and more crypto updates, so you are not going to be lacking behind. When others are actually celebrating, you can also celebrate. So I hope this video was helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Enjoy your day.